Hello everybody, this is Adam with Adam of All Trades. Here on the channel we like to embrace doing new things and chasing rabbit holes, pursuing interests. I personally love getting into new things, following the dopamine, and I have a few interests that I really flush out and I chase. And here on the channel we are going to start presenting those interests, and so that other people can learn from my mistakes, learn something from the things I do right. For the first three series that I'm going to do, we're going to start with hunting and forestry management. Seems like a really big and broad category. I'm an intermediate hunter. I just recently got back into hunting, and I wanted to follow that journey with some video journal entries and kind of show you guys my hunting, what I use. We'll do gear, we'll do location stuff, and we'll learn together. Also, with the land management, I am going to be converting some land that belongs to my family into a more suitable habitat for all the local wildlife. The goal is to make a better hunting environment, but also encourage local wildlife. The second series we're going to do, I'm a stay-at-home dad, so we're going to follow some of the things I do on a daily basis. Again, kind of a journal vibe with that, but also showing you my cleaning techniques and learning organization, which is a big thing for me that I need to learn. And cooking, love to cook. We're going to learn some recipes that I've had since I was a kid, because my grandmother taught me everything I know about cooking. And then for the final thing, which is a completely new area other than maybe changing my oil, I have a little yellow Ford Ranger that we're going to be working on and doing upgrades and fixes. It's old, it's beat up, and we're gonna fix it up together. We're gonna learn some stuff about vehicles. But we are not contained to just that. We will also be doing rabbit hole videos where whatever suggestions that you guys do in the comments, we'll go and we'll start chasing some of those suggestions, and we'll flesh them out. We'll do some series on that as well. This is all about learning new things, chasing the dopamine, and have an adventure together. If you like what you see on the channel, don't forget to subscribe to us so that you can come back and learn more. I feel like the things that I learn on a daily basis between the three main video series that we're going to do needs to be shared, and it's a venture that needs to be shared. And maybe you can laugh and have a little fun along with me as well. But thank you so much again for coming and hanging out with me on the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me some comments about what you think we should do some videos on. And we'll see you out there.